Hello my darlings and welcome. In this video I share my kitchen witch recipe for infused honey for Yule, which can be magically crafted as a Yule gift of love and abundance. Let's do some magical crafting. This can be a powerful kitchen witch recipe because it takes a moon cycle or more to prepare, and you can put your intentions into the creation of the honey. I'm infusing 2 jars of honey so that I can have 1 large jar at the end, once the spices are strained out. I've created a printable Book of Shadows page as a companion to this recipe, and I'll link to it below the video. The first ingredient is cloves. Cloves draw wealth and prosperity and drive away hostile and negative forces. Historically, cloves were worth their weight in gold and could often only be afforded by the wealthy. Because of this, cloves are often associated with money and prosperity. Next, I'm adding allspice. Allspice is used for drawing money, luck, healing, and obtaining treasure. This grounding spice helps set the stage for money and wealth spells. Focus on your intentions to draw in wealth and prosperity as you add this ingredient into the honey. I'm breaking and placing several cinnamon sticks into the jar. Cinnamon can help to speed up the magic in your spells. It's used for both love and luck magic. Anoint your wallet with cinnamon oil or carry a cinnamon stick to draw money to you. It can be used in spells relating to success and can bring you luck. Cinnamon has a wide range of magical uses. Next, I'm adding black cardamom. A warm and fragrant spice, cardamom is often used in love magic. If you want to charm a lover, serve them some food flavored with cardamom. Or chew a few cardamom seeds before talking to anyone you would like to charm. It's a great ingredient for love or protection sachets, and it also draws abundance. Next, I'm adding a vanilla bean pod. Vanilla is renowned for its sweet and enticing fragrance, making it a powerful ingredient in love spells and attraction rituals. Vanilla is often paired with cinnamon for abundance spells and magical workings. Vanilla will also attract good fortune and promote a happy home. Vanilla can stimulate creativity and inspire artistic expression. This is the only spice that I'm using that is not dried. It's important to use dried herbs and spices instead of fresh ones to minimize the amount of moisture being introduced into your honey. Next, I am filling the jars with raw, unfiltered clover honey. I will link to the brand that I love below. Honey is often used in love spells for its power to attract love and enhance romantic relationships. It can be used in spell work to attract a new love, strengthen an existing relationship, or promote sweetness and harmony in a partnership. Honey can help change someone's attitude or behavior and is used in sweetening spells to influence someone to be kinder, more loving, or more helpful. Infuse your honey for at least 1 moon cycle. 2 months is even better. I like to occasionally turn the jar over while infusing to move the contents around. As I do this, I focus on my magical intention for this gift and add my energy to it. Once the honey is fully infused, strain the spices out and re-jar this gift of love and abundance. This makes a perfect holiday gift that will be requested year after year.